Your expertise in electrical maintenance could be the difference between peak performance and catastrophic failure. Do you have the right qualifications to meet the NFPA 70B electrical worker requirements? The NETA QEMW exam is your gateway to becoming the NETA qualified electrical equipment maintenance worker that your company relies on. In collaboration with NETA, AVO Training Institute has designed a series of essential QEMW exam preparatory courses to prepare you to pass this industry-leading exam. AVO offers 2 courses to best prepare you for the exam. The 2-day course is a refresher for seasoned technicians, focusing on safety and system maintenance. Meanwhile, the 4-day course provides a comprehensive review of electrical safety, maintenance fundamentals, visual and mechanical inspection protocol, and NFPA 70E training. This aligns with NETA's NFPA 70E training requirement to take the NETA QEMW exam. These AVO courses are offered in 3 ways. The first is by open enrollment at any of AVO's locations. The second is on-site, where our instructor takes the course to you. Lastly, they are offered through our virtual platform. These options provide flexibility to fit all types of learning preferences. Before taking the QEMW exam, ensure you are ready and can meet the prerequisites. This includes 100 hours of technical training, 8 hours of NFPA 70E safety training, and 1 year of field training. Additionally, you must also be minimally in your 2nd year of an electrical apprenticeship. AVO's QEMW course instructors bring unparalleled industry experience to the classroom. Learn from experts who understand the nuances of electrical safety, maintenance fundamentals, and system management. Their guidance will equip you with the confidence and skills to excel in the QEMW exam. Contact an AVO professional now to enroll. Together, we'll prepare you for success on the NETA QEMW exam and beyond. Your future in electrical maintenance awaits. Let's unlock it together.